sunshine to let me know that everything's fine. Oh, remember this life you lead, and look at yourself behind the steam. The sun is slipping through out of my eyes. Surely this is no big surprise. Oh, now every day comes so quickly, and how do I take my coffee? I forget these self-defining things. They fade away when I close my eyes and lose everything. When I come back and try to recognize this place, I try to get a grip as it all comes creeping in. I need a rhythm, and these flashing lights don't count me in. What's my prescription for seeing how these things go round anyway? I had a solution, but it expired, and now again choking down. Well, yesterday's reference seems so distant to me now. Ding dong, the morning bell rings me back to life. The toast is done and waits for my knife. Peanut butter wins every time. There's something inside that picks me up and lets me know that some good things will never change. And it takes some time for me to work this all out every day. Questions of what will change and what will stay the same. I need a rhythm, and these flashing lights don't count me in. What's my prescription for seeing how these days go round anyway? I had a solution, but it expired, and now I can't choke it down. Yesterday's reference seems so distant to me now. And then I'll slip into some routine again. I'll admit the world's gotta spin. Oh, the daily is right on time. Pick it up, take it